Hello viewers, today I am going to overview with EndeavourOS 2021. It's the latest of version. So let's go and overview with this OS. If you want to download, then come this website EndeavourOS.com, and then you can see here the option download and help, and then you can click latest release, and here you can get the download option. So let's go. I am already downloaded. Here is lot of download option. So I'm going to overview with it, install and overview with it. Create a virtual machine with typical recommended, and I'm going to select the OS ISO. Here is my OS ISO. I am already downloaded. If you can see here, it's 1.92 GB, and then click OK, then next, then Linux default and ENDV, put it short name, and then I am select the temporary host location and click next, and it asks me about the size of hosted space. I am select 80 GB and relocated the RAM, and click close, and then click finish. My virtual machine is ready to go, and click to power it on, and let's go to made it screen resolution stretch, and then I am click to full screen. Okay, let's go. Viewers, you can see here the all new EndeavourOS OS is running with live version. So you can see here the start menu, here the graphical interface of start menu, and here is the all application. You can see here the all applications here, and as it is the previous OS, I don't know what is new in here. Then so let's go and see what is new in here. You can see here that Firefox browser and the file manager and the terminal window and the connection manager. I hope it create previous or log rescue, and then here is the screenshot and language option. Here is the connection manager and volume. If you use the battery, then here is the battery option, and notification. Here is the username. I'm using live version, so it's a live user. And then here is some settings, settings menu. Here you can change your profile or appearance, default application, desktop, display size. I'm clicking the display size, and here is the display resolution, and select some 1200 and more. Okay, 1200 apply, and keep this configuration. Okay, here is I am select 1280 plus, and then here is the OS interface, and here you can see the terminal emulator, and clicking the terminal emulator. Here is the terminal emulator, and here is the most beautiful Linux distro called EndeavourOS OS, and setting welcome screen, EndeavourOS log tools, all applications is here, and desktop version, install system. Okay, now let's go to install the OS in system. Okay, clicking the install OS in system,